Welcome to Narita, but soon we're gonna reach Tokyo. Yes, I am here in the airport of Narita and waiting to get a bus all the way to Tokyo. There are three alternative ways you can go from here: by bus, by bullet train, or Domo train. We chose to go by bus, so the price is 1,000 yen, approximately $10, and it's called LCB, the cheapest way. Yes, because I need to save some money to spend some time over there shopping, of course. Let's go. The bus called LCB is the cheapest one, so we are getting this one now. My colleague is just there waiting by the counter to get the ticket for us. So we're gonna be in Tokyo.
The other options are this Skyliner and the Kansai Lane.
Wow.
See this one?
Yes.
You can take from the
See all the options here. You can take these two other trains. So many options you have here to go from Narita to Tokyo. Time to enjoy Tokyo. Thank you, sir. Inside the toilet, you can see here there is a privacy bottle. So I press here and actually makes some noise, so people outside cannot hear what you do inside. So, use your imagination. You do whatever you want. Nobody can hear you, and you can actually increase the volume and decrease, and you have all the options here. Stop turning off. Hey guys, we just arrived here in Tokyo Station. We cross now the roads and we're gonna explore the city of Tokyo. Woo! Hey guys, listen up. We are here having a cappuccino, time for a little break, and my friend's gonna tell you something about it. This place, see where you are now.
We're gonna have a look at the best view from the Starbucks coffee. It's the busiest crossing ever. Everybody who comes to Tokyo must come and visit Shibuya Crossing.
Yes, check, and then you see why is that so famous, and people here all around, you know, just to see the famous cross downs. Let's see. Most people around the world knows the story of Hachiko. Hachiko is the most famous dog here in Japan. Hachiko used to follow his owner, the master professor Yun. When he come from the station, Shibuya station, to work, and in the afternoon, the dog you'd pick him up from the station and go home together. But in May 1925, something happened. Yeah, Professor died, but Hachiko kept return to this spot here to wait for his owner until his death. 10 years later, met Hachiko, the most famous loyal dog in Japan. You can see here, there is a big queue to take a picture with Hachiko. Everyone that's passing by Shibuya station just come here and queue up to take pictures. So it's gonna be me. Right now we are in Godzilla Road. Godzilla Road, and as you can see, there is a dinosaur over here, right on the top, And then everyone that comes here in Tokyo, they come in this place and explore. There are so many things you can see. Shops, restaurants, souvenirs. It's a great place to be. So check it out. Japan, the restaurants, what they do is that they display the cuisine, the menu outside, so they Japanese and the tourists can come and check it out before they choose the plate to eat. So interesting the way they do. You see, even the beer, they display. Oh, look at the fish over there, the steak, the mussels. I want to have that food cheese. Time for it, yes. I'm having here a nice full glass teriyaki burger.
Wagyu cheeseburger.
Ooh, cheese for it, and let's enjoy the Japanese burger
The
style.
whole drink.
Arigato
Gozaimasu.
gozaimasu.